Hello learners, today let us see about how to check your plagiarism if the language moves in a regional language like Kannada, Hindi, Urdu or any of other languages which have been supported from a Drillbit. So you cannot directly upload a Word document if you are not having any of a Baraha tool or any of the other languages tool. So best thing is to convert your Word document to PDF like this. So go to upload file. Just click on regional. Go to browse and click on the file where you are being saved. You can give the details and you can use a document type. The thing is you need to select the language what you are going to just upload. So after this you can just press submit. So after that you will be getting a check report from a bill. So that's it for this video. Thank you.